হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি আমি শাহরুল ইসলাম এসআর রোজ টিভির পক্ষ থেকে। বন্ধুগণ, আপনারা সবাই নিশ্চয় অবগত আছেন আগামী 26 জানুয়ারি প্রজাতন্ত্র দিবস। সেই টপিক নিয়ে নতুন একটি ইংরেজি বক্তব্য আপনাদের কাছে শেয়ার করতে চলেছি। যদি আপনারা কেউ স্কুল কলেজে বক্তব্য দিতে ইচ্ছুক, তাহলে আর বিলম্ব না করে আমার এই বক্তব্যটি শিখে রাখুন। Good morning to respected President, respected principals sir, all the respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Shahrul Islam. It is my privilege to have a chance to give my thoughts in front of you. First of all, I would like to thank my President who gave me this opportunity. As we know, today is 26th January, and on this day we celebrate every year as Republic Day. Today I will say two words about Republic Day in front of you. Today, on the day of 1950, the Constitution of India came into force in this year 2021. It is 72nd Republic Day. The Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It took about 3 years to write it after 1950. Our country has become a republic after the implementation of the Constitution. The citizens living in the country were given many special rights. As a result, the country got a good governance system. The citizens of the country got the right to choose their leaders of their choice. The governance of any country depends on the constitution of that country. The constitution of our country is made up of the constitution of many other countries. According to the constitution, we have the freedom to visit anywhere in the country. We have the freedom to keep our things in front of our leaders. The country has become independent for almost 74 years. Despite the independent country and a good constitution, there are still many problems in our country. It is very sad to say that our country is not completely liberated even today. We are still struggling with the problems of slavery, of crime, corruption, and violence in our country. People are fighting each other, some things in the name of religion and sometimes in the name of untouchability. Our country is a secular country where all religions are equal. We should keep a sense of brotherhood to each other. These problems are the only solution, and that is the education. Education makes good citizens in the country. That's why we have to fix the level of education can be cured in the entire country. If people are not educated, then the problem of unemployment will increase in the country. And if unemployment increased, then crime in the country also would increase. That means all problems can be removed only from education, and if these problems removed from the country, then the country will not take much time to grow. On international level, our country is already ahead from many countries in many areas. So be the part of development of the country. Do not create barrier for the development. I remember a beautiful Hindi quotation that I want to share with you. ये नफरत बूढ़ी है ना पालो इसे, दिलों में खलिश है निकालो इसे, ना इसका ना उसका, ना मेरा ना तेरा, ये वतन है हम सबका, यह वतन है हम सबका, बचा लो इसे. So, with this I pass my speech. If I may do any mistake or error in speaking, please forgive me. Jai Hind, জয় ভারত। সো বন্ধুরা, যদি আমার এই বক্তব্যটি ভালো লাগে তাহলে লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার করবেন। আর যদি আমার চ্যানেলের নতুন কেউ হয়ে থাকেন তাহলে অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে রাখবেন, যাতে নতুন নতুন ভিডিও সবার আগে পেতে পারেন।